Alright guys, so I'm painting the air cleaner parts for the Cougar, the XR7. So there's the lid. Way better. That looks fucking awesome. It looks great. I'll probably miss bottom with maybe, nah, this one doesn't look too bad. We got, not gonna lie, I don't really know what this is called, but we got this thing that comes off the side. So much better than the old faded blue. And then outside, my little painting area. Just because painting it in the morning and in the shade helps because it doesn't dry as fast. So I did it in here with just satin black. So it's way better in here because it was all chipped and everything. And then as you can see, I actually stripped every piece down to just bare metal. So that way we can get the best paint job possible. Because this car is gonna look great when it's done. So, yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna let this dry because it's completely done in here. I mean, it's not perfect. The inside I didn't really do. I wasn't gonna strip it down to metal because it'd be super hard to get in here. And it's also the inside of the air cleaner. But, I'm gonna do a few more coats and it should clear that right up, so it'll look way better. And then I'll paint the outside, of course the Ford light blue, and you guys will see it all put, oh my voice, you guys will see it all put back together later.